Welcome back. Agriculture is a primary activity, as we have already discussed that agriculture is in primary activities. So it includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, rearing of livestock. So these are the activities which is done in agriculture. And if we talk about the world, in the whole world, 50% of the persons are engaged in agriculture activities. So half of the population of the world is engaged in agriculture activity. And if we talk about India only, if we talk about the Indian population, so 2/3 of Indian population is still dependent on agriculture. And for doing agriculture activity, we need a soil which is favorable for growing a particular crop, and climate as well. These two, favorable topography of soil and climate, they are very important factors for agriculture activity. And the land on which the crops are grown is known as arable land. And in the map you can see that agriculture activities is concentrated in those regions of the world where suitable factors of the crops are growing of crops exist. Now you can see here word distribution of arable land. You can see this green portion. So the area which is green in color, this area is arable land. That means this land is suitable for growing crops or for doing agriculture. Okay. Now, do you know agriculture? What is agriculture? The science and the art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. It is also called farming. Agriculture is also known as farming. The science and art of cultivation on the soil or raising of crops. It is a kind of science. Everybody could not grow anything on any kind of soil. Only the people, those who know the art of cultivation and those who know the science in which soil or in which season, in which type of climate, which crop is grown, they can only do this. It is also called farming. So now we have many words which made with this culture. If we add some different words like agriculture, sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture, horticulture. So these are the different meaning. These are the different words. Now agriculture we have already discussed. Sericulture, so commercial rearing of silkworms. When silkworms, they are like earthworms, but small in size. They are grown on the plants. And when commercial rearing of silkworm is done, so it is called sericulture, and it may supplement the income of the farmer. It is it can supplement, it can add on in the income of the farmers. Next is pisciculture, breeding of fish, specially constructed tanks and ponds. Pisciculture means when a person is rearing of fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds, that is pisciculture, and it is also for commercial use. Now viticulture means cultivation of grapes. Like in Rajasthan we are doing I will not say it that it is viticulture, because viticulture is used for cultivation of grapes only, but in Rajasthan we are doing it for quinoa, but that is not viticulture. Horticulture means growing vegetable, flowers and fruits for commercial use.